Have you ever wanted a dinner that tastes like it came from your favorite Italian restaurant, but is surprisingly easy to make at home? Today, I'm going to show you one of my family's favorite comfort food recipes, creamy tortellini with homemade meatballs. But don't skip ahead, because I'll show you one simple trick that makes this sauce taste like it simmered for hours, even though it didn't. And if you love easy comfort food recipes, don't forget to subscribe, give this video a thumbs up, and let me know in the comments where you're watching from. Now let's get cooking. We'll start with 1 pound of ground beef. Into the bowl add 1 teaspoon salt, half a teaspoon black pepper, 1 egg, 1 teaspoon garlic powder, 1 teaspoon dried parsley, and 1 teaspoon Italian seasoning or your favorite dried herbs. Mix everything together until the seasonings are evenly distributed. Try not to overmix the meat because that can make your meatballs dense. Instead, mix just until everything comes together. If you enjoyed this recipe, please like this video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss another easy homemade recipe. Now roll small meatballs. I like making them about 1 inch in diameter because they cook quickly and fit perfectly with the tortellini. These little meatballs are packed with flavor in every bite. Heat a little vegetable oil in a Dutch oven or deep skillet over medium heat. Place the meatballs in without overcrowding the pan. Here's an important tip. Don't keep moving them around. Let them sit for a few minutes so they develop that beautiful golden crust. That crust adds an incredible amount of flavor to the finished sauce. Once they're browned on all sides, remove them from the pan. Don't worry if they aren't fully cooked inside. They'll finish cooking later in the sauce. And whatever you do, don't wash the pan. Everything stuck to the bottom is pure flavor. Using the same pan, add 1 finely diced onion. Cook until it becomes soft and beautifully golden. Now comes my favorite trick. Take 6 small tomatoes, or 3 to 4 medium tomatoes, and cut a small X on the bottom of each one. Place them directly into the pan with the onions. Cover with a lid and let everything cook for about 15 to 20 minutes. During this time, 2 wonderful things happen. The onions slowly caramelize, and the tomato skins become incredibly easy to remove. If the skins don't peel off easily, simply cook them for a few more minutes. Once the skins are removed, mash the tomatoes with a spoon. Mix them together with the caramelized onions. At this point, your kitchen will smell absolutely amazing. Now pour in half a cup of heavy cream, followed by half a cup of water. Stir everything together until the sauce becomes smooth and creamy. This sauce is rich without being too heavy and perfectly balanced between the sweetness of the tomatoes and the cream. Return the meatballs to the pan. Let them simmer gently for a couple of minutes so they absorb all those wonderful flavors. Now it's time for the star of today's recipe. I'm using 1 pound of 5 cheese tortellini. Fresh tortellini cooks very quickly, so don't overcook it. Cover the pot and cook for only about 5 minutes. That's all it needs. The tortellini will stay tender while soaking up the creamy tomato sauce. Right before serving, sprinkle fresh basil over the top. If you make this recipe, I'd love to hear what you think. Leave me a comment below and tell me, what's your favorite comfort food pasta? Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next delicious recipe.